Hey and welcome to Alt1. So you can see we are still mining here at CryptoTab browser. I will now show you when not to buy a contract. And also, as you see, I will show you now the withdrawals I have done today and that they already are in my wallet. So let's get to all of this. So I will now show you a little. In this place we are not doing that much, but what we do, we go to pool miner, or let me show you the withdrawals first, maybe that could be nice. So you can go here, let's go to payment history. So you can see here now 15th of December, that is today, I have done 2 withdrawals. This withdrawal number 1 is from the pool mining, and this is from farm mining. Farm mining is from the mobile, and this is from the computer. I withdraw every single day, by the way, as you can see. So if we then, you see that both is priority, is because I sent to the wallet of this CryptoTab. And that wallet is very good. I have tested it. I have sent to my own wallet in Binance, and it's done like that. And the good thing when you withdraw here, it comes to your wallet in 2 minutes, and you can send it over to your Binance wallet, for example, in 2 minutes. So basically in 4 minutes, you have it where you want it to be. And it's completely for free to withdraw here to your wallet. So you only have the cost to send from this wallet to whatever other wallet you want. So it's amazing. And if you send, for example, with let me see here now. Here's another thing I do. See here now, here is my dollar amount, and I'm receiving Bitcoin. So what I always do, I go to exchange here. So you can see I have $7.81 here. Then I want this over to dollar. Okay, we take the maximum amount. You see here at 24.40. I do the exchange. You see, I only spent like 1 cent on it, and then I have everything in here. Then if I want to send this, for example, to Binance now, I can send it for almost for free. I go here to send. I go to here. I put in my wallet address. I can choose which one. If you send to Polygon, to any, that is completely for free. Then you see I can send. Here you can see what I can send if I send with Polygon. If I choose to send in Tron, you see basically cost me a little, you see, because then I have 24, but this is what I can send right now. So it costs a little to use Tron. But if you are able to use Polygon, you see basically you send completely for free. So make sure you have a broker where you can send through Polygon, then you send for free basically. So that's something you can do. And here we can go to the history, what I have received. And like you see, works perfectly. Okay. So here we can see we transferred over to dollar. So make sure you sign up with this wallet. It's completely for free, and then it's connected with everything you do here in CryptoTab. Now I will show you when not to buy pool mining. Okay, so go here. You can see all the contracts I have bought till now, because my plan is to buy every time I can afford. I buy a 75 kilo hatch. But the price I want to pay for a 75 is around $23. That is where we make profit. Okay, then we make a few dollar profit. But above that, I will not buy. So if you go here now over to pool mining, and we choose a 75. Okay, now you pay $35. This is time I just wait till I get a better deal, because currently this is not something that I would make any money with. So now I'm just collecting every contract I have running in. So you can go over here. As you see, I have withdrawn just right before this video. So you see, I have not made that much right now, but typically I make from this 600, I make around $7 a month. Plus this I make from farm mining on the mobile. I make a little more than $1 there also. So average I make around $8 a month currently on my contracts. So it is to be smart. Buy the times you can buy cheap. So currently now I'm just going to collect from all this, and if I see come in a contract that go down to the price that I'm willing to pay for, I will then take everything I have in my wallet in that time, put into whatever contract that is available for that price and buy everything. So now, basically, now I just will sit down, relax it, and collect money till I get a contract price that I feel is perfect for me. Okay, so I hope you learned from this. CryptoTab is profitable if you do it correctly. So if you want to join me in this journey and you want to learn from me how to make money with CryptoTab, well, you're in luck. I'll make almost daily video about this also. So have an amazing day.